Imagine a place where the sun never sets in summer, and in winter must disappears completely. A country where silence is sacred, and coffee breaks are a national tradition. Welcome to Sweden, the land of mystery, light, and stunning natural beauty. This isn't just IKEA, ABBA, and meatballs. This is a land full of hidden wonders that most travelers overlook. In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes Sweden one of the most fascinating countries in the world, and why your next adventure should lead you straight to the north. 1. Nature that looks unreal. Sweden isn't just beautiful, it's otherworldly. From the magical forests of Dalarna to the icy wilderness of Lapland, nature here doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Want to chase the northern lights? Sweden gives you a front row seat. Prefer silent lakes where the water is so still it reflects the sky like a mirror? You'll find thousands. Over 70% of Sweden is covered in forests, and more than 100,000 lakes sparkle across the land. And thanks to allemansrätten, the right of public access, you can explore almost anywhere freely. Wild camp, kayak, hike, it's all yours. 2. The culture of calm. In Sweden, silence isn't awkward, but it's respected. The culture here is about balance, privacy, and quiet power. You won't find people honking their car horns in traffic. Instead, you'll find a tradition called Fika, a daily coffee and pastry break meant to slow you down. People gather not to rush, but to pause and connect. In a world that's always on, Sweden chooses to breathe. And honestly, it's contagious. 3 traditions that will surprise you. Sweden might look quiet, but when they party, they go hard in the most Swedish way possible. Ever danced around a flower pole dressed as a frog? That's midsummer. Ever celebrated Waffle Day with syrup and whipped cream? Sweden invented it. Ever seen a winter festival where children wear crowns of candles? That's St. Lucia's Day. And let's not forget the crayfish party, where adults wear bibs, sing drinking songs, and eat seafood like kids at a carnival. 4 cities that blend. History and innovation. The cities in Sweden are a masterpiece of contrast. In Stockholm, one moment you're walking medieval alleys in Gamla stan, the next you're inside an ultra-modern subway station that looks like a sci-fi movie set. Gothenburg offers a chill harbor vibe with some of the best seafood in Europe. And Malmö? It's the bridge between tradition and the future, literally, connected to Denmark by the famous Øresund Bridge. Sweden's cities don't scream, they whisper elegance. 5. Winter, where it gets wild. When winter arrives, Sweden turns into a real-life snow globe. Ever wanted to sleep in a hotel made of ice? Check. Ride a dog sled under the aurora borealis? Double check. How about skiing under moonlight or dipping into a frozen lake after a sauna? Sweden in winter is not for the faint of heart, but it's unforgettable. And yes, the darkness isn't depressing, it's mystical. It makes the light feel magical when it returns. Sweden isn't flashy, it's subtle, peaceful, powerful. It doesn't chase trends, it embraces timeless beauty. And if you're the kind of traveler who's tired of noise and chaos, maybe it's time to discover a land where silence is golden, the air is pure, and life moves at the perfect pace. That's Sweden, and it's waiting for you. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. What's the one thing about Sweden that surprised you the most? Until next time, keep exploring and keep wondering.